Shone. Yes, Baba.
Yebone.
Khamba kanjani?
Wathina.
On another episode. This and that. Lokho la lokho mntanami. Ayichika ina steering bafethu lana Elias. It's your boy UKB Casanova. Yeah, the locust. Leli bombele ecela abantwana makuvela yena kuhlanya bamnyama nama yellow bone bet etha some delicious.
Yes, but anyway, it doesn't get old. Every time I'm hearing it feels new.
Can't you tell mama wami? Yeah. Let me touch the award.
I feel like it's the best intro
I've
ever heard, you know. I think even like my soap ngayisebenzisa.
Yeah.
I think
I'm
praising your intro. But anyway, guys, it's your man now, because it was your boy now. It's your man now. It's T, guys. We're back again with another fresh and exciting episode of This and That. Lok la Loco. Guys, we are packed today. We are packed. And I'm pretty sure there's sugar this sondara.
Thina change sifihla umphini bawami vele sibeka injalo wethu uyancanya kumba uncanya ngokwakho labangini efuku sizondile ngokwakho futhi labangini
and nazo lesonde guys ya improve. Today we are having a vintage look la ndiyabona guys. Izitulo zi comfortable kabi lezi zi comfortable and you know powered by Jackie Culture.
Cabanga mfana lina babenkulumani but Ulumani Rangers, Yes, sijeki baba. Labelo ngeke ulithole ebheleni madoda. Ndiyakwazi nathi lina lelitholakala ibo Highlanders Club ngale leli unganya le.
But just so you know guys, and support iBoso. Amakhala la ngawe Juventus. Aso iBoso.
The guys mna support iBoso. Imente ashayelele sina siskipa. By the way, shout out to iBoso.
Support Timbare futhi sistulele.
Anyways, yes. Hi. Sikhamba lapho khona ngala beMpumalanga nilekwazi mina so tribalist. Nanithanda utawura kuphela. But I'm not a tribalist. Ngiyabona le member wami vele lishona so
siphume eMpumalanga le ntshonalanga siyahlanganisa into akulandaba ku sharp guys but sesinathi awuntshele Bozara
sure ntwana
khathi kwenzakalani
ntwana khona babe check these days yabona ukuthi yabona so kwazo statements leso ukuthi vele these days iTV ayisaqhakathekanga esilongu le TikTok
asoqhakatheka iTikTok
TikTok nje manje there is a problem. There's a problem, bro. There's a problem, bro.
So you're saying everyone is always on their phone?
Mana singakayi vele okay, mana before ngikhuluma ngendaba ze TikTok, ngivuka utshela something nge TikTok, kan? Kana akonitshele check. Kubulawayo vele do we have ama celebrities? Okay, for your
honestly speaking, you want my honest opinion?
Yes, and then usungitshela ukuthi by your own definition, what's a celebrity?
Okay. Before I can say ukuthi Islam a celebrity or not. I mean, if I am to define a celebrity, it's someone who's celebrated. That's why we call them celebrities, because they need to be celebrated.
Umuntu celebrated bam celebrate njani?
It differs from places, you know, because if I'm a celebrity, if I go into a mall, people celebrate me, you know, they want to take pictures with me, you know, they want me to, you know, even celebrities, we are talking of even sports people, soccer players, rugby players, cricket players, you know, these are icons, you know, and icons need to be celebrated. That's why, hence we say we have celebrities.
Nangiyana phela umdawini uyangena laphana bemthengela injengu ethathela amapicture.
Umdawini is the only celebrity koBulawayo. That one ngiyastempa. Umdawini according to me, is the only celebrity koBulawayo.
Yeah, true. Because
ephumula khona ngale. Angazi. But the problem lo makhelwane wakho yi-one. Ahlale ekhuluma ngayo.
Oh, my case.
Umakhelwane.
Faster, my case. Then ngiyafuna ukuthi
Uchaya umfazi kamakhelwane.
awudawini ayenzisetha nje.
No, but anyways, if I'm to tell you, Eblawaya slama celebrity. No.
So musicians like anisoze mqamba abantu abadala nje abasilandaba labo thina nje koSandra Ndebele labo bani bani, they are not relevant. But asikhulume alright ngabantu nje like li relevant sisi sande kodwa mina ngikhulumile sikhulume alright ngama-2K lawa uManayini, Black Diva, Willie Power, uMbhidi emazinyweni, ubani ubani osino ngama-celebrity TikTok
Manayini.
no
Uma-
ubani
you
vele
know-
ubani
you know,
ngama-celebrity
bonke bona laba- bonke bona laba- bonke bona laba abantu abaqambileyo
Mzo7
ngama-artist
ungama-artist
asoma-celebrity.
eish
No offense, guys, but it's the truth.
eish so vele ntshela ukuthi laphana let's say mana sibona ubani Mzo7 engafika laphana ko-hyper egodini kumbe laphana esithole laphana vele akula muntu ofuna uthatha la ipikitsha bamekele edlule nje ngani vele
Ugagagugu uhlala ezidlulela vele.
Thobani?
Awayezibiza kuthiwa ngigagagugu.
kakakuku ngane umntwana osakuzifundela ukukhuluma kutsho
Ngcono angazi ama-fans akaza reply lapha esitshela ukuthi kutshoni.
alright and yes
If elawo ama-fans.
kuthiwa ya Mzo if ulawo ama-fans you are not a celebrity baba uyi-charity case it's not me talent.
I mean, I said he's an artist. He's an artist. But anyways, I mean, I don't mind taking the shots. But into engitshoyo ukuthi if you want to see ukuthi asilama celebrity koBulawayo, let's talk about partnership and endorsement deals that are going on. You know, an artist can, not a celebrity, an artist can like maybe uthole for instance what do you call a restaurant. A restaurant coming in and saying, you know what, besicela ukuthi njani what you advertise for us, so you know what, you put our brand out, more like a brand ambassador. And then trust me, do you think ukuthi wena if you can take Mzo7, you think you can take your brand to the next level?
Actually, I think I'll give a best example. I think ESK, that's why Yavalo. I think he did that. I'm not sure, but I think Mzo7 was part of them.
I'm a local artist thinking they are that big and so forth.
Babesiyakudla ama-popcorn mahara, bengena mahara, beposta kuma-WhatsApp status.
But you know, when it comes to music industry, guys, I don't know, maybe I'm a companies, lama brands are fund. You can never take an artist Oketen Rezela every show. Umuntu azoba ngo-brand ambassador. I'm not lying. Check Mzo7, check anyone. Every artist ephuma koBulawayo. Nkonje lapha akaba i-main act khona.
Hayi akazange wayenza at least ithiwa yini one man show and eyakhe kuphela. I think Mzo7 kwathiwa waspenda 10,000, almost about 10,000, but azange athole anything in return, and it was said ukuthi yena akalandabani
enesidla ama-scuffed chicken mahara.
Yeah, ngihle ngitshele. And then okay, there is an artist and then there is a businessman engimaziyo mina personally whereby una into ezinjengabo restaurant, so wayenze khona lokho ukuthi uzabuya ibe ithiwa yini
brand ambassador.
Exactly. And then it happened ukuthi umember wayehlale buya labo cherry bakhe ezochaya iskafu
because ngu-brand ambassador inkampani yazi yavala.
hayi company umember wathi wa-terminate i-contract athi hayi kuthiwa kumbe babevumelene ukuthi bebuya maybe once per month or per week or so. Kuthiwa member wayehlale buya every day ba scuffed chicken.
But maybe wayebuya labantu nje abazothenga
ezothenga hayi na wena wayebuya labo cherry bakhe nje ingadlisa seqede yepensela abantu ababani.
Mfuna uba lazi mina artist lady.
Hayi mana sichinjalo.
Uba lazi artist lady.
Sichinjalo.
Serious. Vele wayese impressa ngeshop kaMember. I'm sure I figure it. You know, I'm sure I figure it's you know, we're in partnerships. You know, I own half of the place, and how much it appears I was.
Hey, but one of the reason why ngibuzile Khonkyana ukuthi kanti vele kulama celebrity koBulawa yana angazi ngibone vini ever since mina ngazalwa ever since ngaqala ukudla isitshwala angazi ngibone mina iartist lisign autograph ever khona lapha koBulawa ngisho even labo Sandra Ndebele o maybe singathi ubaba uJace Barabini wakwazama I don't know but angazi ngibona umuntu esiyathi ngicela limbhalela uthole ukubhala Sandra Ndebele uthole ubhale Ma9 uthole ubhale MCK uthole ubhale uSiphume uSiphume senaso artist
mina yikho ngitshelile ngathi koBulawayo you can take it from Inkululeko Yabatsha School of Arts. You can you can go as whatever you can think. You can go even to soccer players, so Chicken Inn. I think we have about 3-4 Premier League teams. Lapa koBulawayo, Chicken Inn, Bulawayo Chiefs, what. They are not celebrities, guys.
But there was one, mina ngambonayo I think but hayi ukuthi lwana kwakuseKaslaki uNox Mthizo number 6. Yathi efikile cheke wesilaphana kanti wayedlaleleni laphana eze was it AFCON or something but uNox Mthizo
I think
as efike number 6 he was celebrated eKaslaki cheke like look serious but abanye laba
you know maybe guys maybe I'm a hater or I'm hating and there's a difference between being celebrated and ukuthi abantu uthanda ukurecognize ukuthi usubuyile Nox Mthizo after that ngothengela icommunity yonke utshwala. That's not being a celebrity guys.
Akhona okubuhlungu wesawathi ngokabani okamsizi K ngaze gqoka amabheji etown nje kabamnanzeleli nje.
That's not being a celebrity because ndoda ngeke uthi wena yaba recognize imvela AFCON what after that hafa put us thenga phela hafa ama pros ama short lawa nanti awusaqoki sicela phela. That's not being a celebrity. That's not being a celebrity.
Yeah, true dog.
True dog.
Yeah, true dog.
And the recognition footlight, it's a big word, bruh. Being recognized. Bruh. Yes, and the recognition comes from the work that you do.
All right.
And then it's like but they are not recognized for what they do.
So, can I ask a question? Njengoba umsezi cases afika le 50 years. We look recognized
ama awards am recognized umsezi K antu aphiwe stand.
Madoda. So coming back to indaba yestand. Thwasi yakheni indlu kaMrap. Manje kodwa lengakwenza njalo koBulawayo. All right, vele this was my other question that yenza when it comes to sengake ngizwe vele and futhi I think lamento yakukhona ngeke ngikhulume ngayo whereby ama artists they complain ukuthi koBulawayo aliba support. Like they are not being supported, they are not being followed. Kahle lapha who are to blame? Ngama artist kumbe yini bantu bakoBulawayo omathewelele ndezo ho. Because I think personally li supporta kakhulu lezi zamakatari ezakithi le kubondolwane ngapha eCholocho.
Exactly, and mina nzabuya khona ukuthi mina will blame the artist because the product is not new, it's fabricated.
Okay, what do you mean? Abanye phela isingisa into akwazi ukuthi ka
what I'm simply saying is the reason why isimbizejwane indolwane are being recognized is because the music is original.
All right.
The music you cannot hear that sound anywhere else. You cannot. But Suthethe lapha Ma9 is trying to sound like someone wakwamuza somewhere.
I'm just
saying, I'm just putting an example. He sounds like someone wakwamuza somewhere.
All right. Yeah, especially ama artists akoBulawayo. I think especially abantu be hip hop. Bongcono FFG sebachiyana labo hip hop laba. But buti udlulile imali yesigweja lapha December sibonile udlulile. Siphathele something new. Ngizwe usithi lapha na ku TikTok siphathela eze Valentine. Sibonile.
Sebuyelile kuyachaya Afro pop essay. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
It's the product eliyenza ukuthi ungabi relevant. Hip hop it sounds like essay. Ipiano vele siyakwazi ukuthi ngelanga.
Yabona mina the reason why ngicanye uBlack Diva Usayenda njengobani uBlack Diva?
Hayi ukuthi mina ngaze ngimlalele.
Eish. But shout out to Black Diva. Hayi ingoma zakho ziyachaza sisi. Ngicanyela khona lokho originality even ingayazi eziningi wani. Ngihlala ngishayisana la especially ku Facebook and TikTok and stuff. But I think yena ukumenza abe lama million views and not or singasabali ukuthi abanye bathu uyathenga. I think it's into yena le yokuthi ngalule style sakhe yedwa. Because ungathi ufana nalo bani labo Thami Moyo awuthami uthambana uThami Moyo isn't lwana weHarare but akuhambelani but I think she's uleleni yakhe ahamba ngayo. I think that's what okumenza abe nganoba unique kancane.
Yeah, maybe mina ngimazi
but anyways kuthiwa sima celebrity guys.
Yeah.
Lingama artist you are recognized abantu balicava but you are not celebrities.
Yeah, they are not celebrities.
Lani majensi ngayenzi njalo kubulawayo. Hayi libagijimeleni abantu laba.
Phela eziningi lapha kulokhu zenini ezingama artist lapha zidlulwa ngabafana laba be TikTok laba.
Yeah.
Even lokuthiwa bantu saJacob.
SaJacob amayelana induna. Futhi nje I heard ukuthi SaJacob ebela ngo-teacher civil like original like professional ngo-teacher we-maths.
Ngiteacher we-maths.
I think manyova kuma-comments and whatever. Abantu abaningi they allegedly kuthiwa ngo-teacher civil original.
Allegedly.
Yes.
It's a good way to put it.
Right?
It's a good way to put it. It's a good way
but
to
anyways, Jake, bengisakhuluma manje la TikTok Jake bra. Vele sikakayi kanjani? Are those guys being paid here koBulawayo?
Ababhadala mbali.
TikTok.
Yeah?
TikTok.
Maybe bona bengasitshela sifakeleni ma comments majensi TikTok yalibhadala yini?
Linda
Yalibhadala yini? Bhadala la sente. Akula sente lithola afana bami. iTikTok laphana nalenzela ukusidlela abana bethu kuphela.
Hey. Ayikhona serious.
Yabona usidlela abana bethu.
Especially lo bara ngendlela movie ngakhona but at least i-platform lana siyamnikeza an avenue yokuthi la kwanisa ukupensela yabo.
Guys, bafana bami sicela edinga umsebenzi. Liyo bala mabhuku abasesikole.
Yeah.
Yazi ama-friends ashona abiyechinga lapho uthi
Abiyechinga njani?
Nafana ninapata guys.
I think I'll say shout out to umalume owamanga kakhulu owazi wahamba uma-Olympics ngenxa yamanga. Umalume lana intwana lana inswembu. But anyways, sesikhuluma abamajidana la eTikTok uJake Bra. I think bona kahle I think ngathi yibo phela bangama-celebrity koBulawayo.
You know, bayazakala koBulawayo. I want to run away from the word celebrity. Bayazakala koBulawayo.
Right.
And just like ama-artist koBulawayo, ama-concepts abo, they are not original. Of course, abantu bayathanda, but ama-concepts abo, they are not original. No, trust me, scroll kuhle ku-TikTok, you find out the concept play is being done in SA, UK, or wherever it is. They are not original. And I refuse to believe ukuthi babangaqala nge-concept enzayibona e-UK or e-America. Bona bele 2,000 views, i-concept lani le 6 million.
Yeah.
So you get what I'm saying. You know,
but
at least cool. They are getting the views, they are getting the likes. 2,000. For Bulawayo guys, you are doing okay, but still anything sevens. Proper jobs.
Kukhona vele abantu abake bedlale more than 100k views ku TikTok.
Ngakobulawayo.
koBulawayo.
Hayi koBulawayo uyabusubukelwa mbani? iBulawayo na vele abantu abangaka.
Yena uzongichaza kwazi ukuthi mawusitsho njalo. Yesterday umfazi wami was going through my phone like ebukela iTikTok. Ngezombuza ukuthi kanti why wena uthanda ukubukela izinto zeZimbabwe? So which means abantu abaningi phela vele into yokuBulawayo Zimbabwe vele ku TikTok abakubukela izinto eziningi.
Hayi Harare kuyafiwa manje. Harare they are ranking millions of views.
Serious? Mina mangukuthi lama ngabukeli into zeHarare.
Tribalism lana singena. Esike sasuka la ngayo sithi wena ukho tribalism.
Akhangela ngqoka iskipa esiblue nje I'm not a tribalist nje.
So uthini? Ichelsea like kwa blue phela.
Afu wena uzokutshela mabhinya ngobani bona? Chile yakho mai, chile mabhinya.
But yeah, on the note sensitive tribalist abafana nabana be TikTok. Kuthiwa ngobani Ashton? Abafana be-TikTok la kuthiwa ngobani like
I think personally ngiyazi
or you know them on a personal level.
Hayi ngithi not personal level. Vele angaze ngishayisane loyo one even eTown.
Okay.
There is uthiwa lo Ashton, then there is uBara, then there is uLanga Ndimande lo okhuluma kakhulu. Then sokuzaba lo mfana lwana layo lempabanga lwana lana yaphathi City Boys liya lokuyenza lo Langa Ndimande. Then sokuzaba lo Cherry lo kuthiwa nguMiss Bani kuthiwa nguMiss Bani kumbe kuthiwa mbani uCherry wakhona, and I think I have met her once laphana ku ZBC stakeholder engagement, and she asked an irrelevant question. Ngahle ngabona ukuthi lo content creator, she's not an independent producer. But anyways,
the
that's
scalp
not
is full
the
of
matter.
nothing.
But anyways,
The scalp is full of nothing. Water.
anyways, she was trying to be relevant.
I'm sorry. Uthemba nibuzo like
Talk Miss Banbani lama ngimazi
I'm sorry, Miss Bani, but
because
still improve.
because into ayenzayo, I think wahamba kumeta wathi ngu-workshop lapha, what question can I ask, because wayecalculatile ukuthi ku-10 million leyi, so nxa lisithi wathi lizakhipha, wahluleka lokuqamba inumber. I think wayebalile yabona njengozuma laphana ukuthi wahluleka ukuqamba inumber.
Anyways, what I'm going to say to you guys is abafana bayenza TikTok lafana linavulana ama-business, you use TikTok for promoting your businesses. Liyeke lidoti yokuchayisa abantwana bethu ama-360 town lapha.
Bebuza ama-drip check.
Ama-trip check lani siyakwazi ukuthi nisigqoze nje sithenge oxygenated sisithulele.
My babu.
But anyways, we usafake line lapho ukhuluma ngoCherry lo, and then you said ubebuze ku-Meta. Guys, Meta, ChatGPT, le AI. What do you think about that? Because I'm hearing good there's AI music nowadays and so
yabona the reason why ngicanye podcast le dog yabo local baba, this and that, we touch on everything, bro. And yabona ngendlela oyeqele ngakhona khona lapha che ku AI che kanti ngani you were reading my mind, bro. Because garesi che bana siqale sesikhulume ngemusic, bro. Asikhulume ngemusic. Sorry to kubo producer machance. Ngiyazi ukuthi belisithi hey lina le blind nabo Fruit Loops and what matoda. Hayi AI madoda ize nenye.
AI ayenzi.
Ndoda phela karesi ndoda mina personally sengakwanisa ukuyenza itrack lami, ngizomunye sithi selama artist vela yi3 AI awakhe vele akhipha ingoma ezinswempu plus karesi, and the worst case scenario and ukuthi AI is being taught ukuthi ikhulume ngesishona, sizakhuluma la ngesindebele, and mina personally ngifuna kube lesikhalanga yabona these minority languages yabo, ama languages wona lawo sikhalanga yabona isitunga what but ngiduna ngiyakutshela hayi ama artist uma nayi abasebenza ba irrelevant kathesi so, because AI iza nenye baba wami. What's your take kodwa when it comes to usukawazi vele music AI?
No, maybe singing ngayizwa ngakwazi.
Because angeke ukwanise ukudifferentiate. Yes,
but honestly speaking, I mean, I feel like AI is killing the world.
Yeah, not is killing the world, bro. In what sense? I think
if we're making music AI, there's no emotion in that music, you know. Akula emotion with music. Check, that's a robot that's being told to put out words.
Okay, actually,
have you ever heard in AI narrate something?
Yeah.
And have you ever heard a person narrating something?
Hayi, yabona into engayaziya ukuthi uyabungamtshelanga kuhle nje ukuthi yenze.
No matter how much you tell.
AI nje kuyamtshela nje in detail nje ukuthi bawufuna ukuthi lapha ngicela ukhale AI. Yes. We're right. Exactly. Yabo.
So I guess I'm not in support for AI because AI is taking people's jobs. AI is killing.
Karesi vele ndoda 2 minutes ndoda vele uBank Taylor labele ngasela umsebenzi even lama teachers babe ngasela umsebenzi. Karesi vele nje what's the use of your homework? Ngaphandle kwesindebele ngaphandle kwesindebele nje what's the use of your homework? Umntwana lapho ukuthi chacha copy and paste ephuma ekhaya.
It's killing the world now. Because now you can't use your brain to to the fullest potential because uphiwe laphana amalokhu zenini ama-algebra usufika laphana endlini usubuza AI sekucalculatela everything. Guys, come on, no.
uzongicabangisa i-punchline likasiyashizo wathi mina ngiyaseva, I don't use my mind. Kuyamele la ingqondo madoda ike-relax lani machensi. Everything automated.
Guys,
Wow.
if we are honestly speaking, Mina, I'm not supporting artificial intelligence
Why not?
because it's artificial.
Antes wena sikhuluma ne-basis of the word ukuthi it's artificial, but
Because
anyways
that's what it is.
i-AI sometimes asikhulume it makes eminye imisebenzi easier bro, yabo. Instead of khangela kares maybe kule zinto ezinjengabo Canva and what instead of going through Adobe Premiere Pro, Lightroom, what busy kumbe After Effects usenza ama-motion graphics and everything and what
Can I ask you something? If AI takes over almost, because AI, with the way it's going, is going to take over everything.
Yeah, labo
Everything.
aba-specialize ukuthi ama-graphic designers so
Everything. Now you see. Akusela msebenzi sengiyenzani?
siyenzani ndoda, find an avenue la ubona khona ukuthi uzathola khona ubona khona ukuthi la uzasebenzisana le-AI baba, because you'll
I
never
know
stop
you
AI.
can't stop AI. I know
You'll
can't
never.
Stop. That's what
And
I'm saying.
really, it's
with the
improving
rate,
day by
with
day.
the rate way it's going, and
Yeah.
siyatshona sihlezi endlini.
As I was saying, Tokan, AI nje kanti it's inevitable nje. Mina bengithi i-blind because khangela asikazo right, ngifuna ukutshengisa ukuthi i-level enjani i-field and ukuthi ivele iyasinceda kakhulu. Asikhangele ku-education system bro. Especially ngithi eZimbabwe or Africa nje. Lapha nje i-education system lapha eyenzakalayo ibi-testing memory nje. Yabo? Ukuthi into yakhona uma usuyabhala ama-test, into leyana owayifundiswa ngutitsha into ebala ku-test book. Khathesi i-AI ndoda iwini khathesi yonke into ndoda sesitoti digital nje. Khathesi yini into alright, what's the use of ukubhala i-homework? Because khathesi umntwana ungathi hambe ebhala i-homework usefika vele ku-AI cha isiphumile copy and paste so pen.
I think when it comes to the educational system,
Yeah.
yes, the AI has improved there and there, but we really
And it's going to grow.
we really have to understand what the educational system had before AI. What was it meant for?
All right.
And because AI brings innovation, and
Exit.
previous educational system it is just you go to school, go to high school, go to university, get a job.
Kare ubhala ama-CV ufundisa ukuthi i-CV ubhala njani wena usule degree. Like what's the camp, man?
You get a job, go and work for a job for 40 years and get NASA mawuya kule msebenzi usebenzele NASA. So that's how it is, bra. The system indlela yenziwa ngayo, but the system at large ayisho
Exactly. Then khathesi ungakhangela nje Dokan. Do you know ukuthi wena khathesi even ungazange uyenze i-web designing sukwanisa khathesi ukuzithunela?
if anyala ukuthi AI
Khathesi sukwanisa ukuthi uthune i-application if ungazange uyokufundela.
anyala ukuthi AI is bringing all those things
Yeah.
to us, and but in as much as iletha bonke khona lokho thina vele sidom, we are using kodwa no dom, but we are using AI for the wrong things. Trust me, yiliphi application alright i-AI kathi sintiyela wena application esebenziwe eZimbabwe lapha aliyayenza
Yeah.
iyi-one.
Eli-one na vele ndoda obvious wonke umuntu uyazi i-ChatGPT kuthiwa i-GTP kumbe kuthiwa yini nale nto.
Elenzwe la
Elenze na i-application
thina as AI with
there is this guy kuthiwa mbani kanje engihlala ukumbona ku-TikTok where i-application lakhona liyaku-calculate-ela especially uma ufuna ukwenza ama-loan. Liyakutshela ukuthi which ama-loan iwaphi awenthetic and what. Kuyaku-calculate-ela futhi kukunikeze ukuthi le yile ama-interest rates ayiswi and stuff. Ngilikhohlwa ibizo lakhona but i-application lakhona but walenza nge-AI.
but anti yabona ukuthi uthoma ngikhona ilokhu zeni i-target market yangikhona ngama-teacher. Waze khuluma nge-loan eyamasivu usebhili.
Vele ndoda ngokungazayenzanga loan lapha eZimbabwe ndoda uyayenzanga le nto.
But why
Everyone
why ungayenzi loan accessible to everyone?
nanku ndoda anibalifakele izim loan alengayibhadala.
I mean an application izim loan I don't want to speak about zim loan because that this is issue. And then yabakolota
Abanye abasesabe sebakubona le case yakho ba
but I'm just saying, but AI is next level innovation type of thing. Yes, but before AI, bruh, your mind needs to be sharp. Yeah, true. Your mind needs to be sharp. Because AI ukuthi
kulabantu abablind abakwanisa ukusebenzisa i-AI. For example, zakutshela ngo-producer wami uLeni uMdawu ngisima. Hhayi uMdawu uyabulala ama-AI. Ungambuza futhi kade ukuthi yini ayaziyo nge-AI.
yakuthi angifuni ukubuza uproducer, but khulumela Jackie, the vast majority of us,
Bakhona nje abantu abayintelligent.
Sokusala kunjalo emhlabeni. Ya yonke into kunabantu ababesalele unyalo za-adapter, so aba-adapt-ile bazathola advantage, abasalele catch up later. Kunjalo vele. Before i-choice, just catch up, do you want to use something or not? And when you are left behind.
But that choice, some of us we don't even make it. Abanye vele sakudalela ukuhlala siyenzelwa uphela.
Whether
Lasenzela ndoda kunochera umuntu somnyana engambona pha. Amuthi kuchera uyona she's got everything. But yazi ubuya yimi uthini? Uthi yazi bhuti ngile in-drive efonini yami ngifuna uku-request. Ngicela uzi-request-e.
mayebabo hhayi into ezikhona hhayi
That's what I'm talking about. Ukuthi kunjani?
yamrequestele nguthi mani yaqeda yathatha inamba.
Anonymous. I've got a wife now, guys. Hey, shout out to you, bro. I'm not doing these hoes. They are hoes. Wonke umuntu asombhazali liwule, full stop.
Iy'ndaba ey'ngaka hhayi bo. Okay, hhayi ke ngiyakho mina vele ngingasobe kurada mina yabe ngekho anilizwethu nangekho
Aningabutshela kudala ukuthi
after this episode ngiyakutshela ususala usemotweni yakho ey'skhaftini la yabo.
anginamota mina kasusithi
Cause ungahamba ngenyawo brother fana hhayi.
I would have no one change.
Oh,
No one can touch me.
oh.
No.
Ake wena bakuthandi yelo boy bakushawe emnyama for.
Yeah, but anyway, before ngaphandle benganishaya nge-AI. We can make that, but moving on, guys. A podcast on site is coming. Ngithemba ngithi hlale kwazi in very soon. Sokusemaduzaneni. And yeah, Sinach, powered by Jelly Culture.
Abekhona ama-t-shirts to those who want to buy these t-shirts guys. I-merchandise yabekhona podcast on site. Kulama zenini liyabona kuyabe kulaba inkulumane Rangers, kule Mzilikazi Pirates, there is Intamagwegwe. Yabo izinto ezi-dope guys, different colors. Nxa ufuna la ukuthi kube nenamba emuva antakwazi ayijika ina-steering bafethu yonke into sabe sukusothela. Jones Studios khona la. And guys, before we just signing out dog, I have a company lami engifuna ukuyiletha guys, especially khona lapha eZimbabwe sazo-introducer Tint Macimbi.
Bunashaya thinta
Amacimbi athini baba.
guys, mina ngiyasupport. I think vele mina umfazi wami amaXhosa uyathanda. So sule customer, your customer, bra, best customer Tint Macimbi. Kukhona guys, kukhona kunenge esikwenzayo esifuna ukulenzela khona guys. Yeah, sicela nikele ukhombo DJ bosisi abala mali.
Lani bo DJ olabangabosisi hayi ngiyalesaba mina ekelana ukulala labafana best days kulethwa yini lana ethiwa yini i-blue sikile. Isikilana e-blue lana buye ihwabaraza itotolozi.
Mina
Lani buya labo DJ hayi ngibona ipikitsha yakhona dog. Ngibona ipikitsha yakhona.
yababo DJ
Una phela ngoli nje.
Mabotiloja, guys, we don't need DJ ndo to share inform later podcast lapho. But don't azunyeza ngikalo DJ akusabumi. Akusabumi khona.
Plus uzanje ethi ngulwana yellow pod.
No aso yona. No lwana no.
No lana no lana.
Lwana ngiyongaba nje isiki manje la.
Uthino but she's saying she's loyal. She has one guy. Yabona ku-status sakhe she was somewhere khona ngapha.
Yabona uyamprovoke manje nxa ikhuluma nge-loyalty because ndathola imqamba ngebizo.
Serious uthi she was loyal now. Umfana wakhona ungu-stepfather.
Kanjani ubaby mama?
Ngubaby mama yikho phela umfana wakhona yathi ngu-stepfather to the kid phela yabo.
Ungustepfather to the kid.
Anti lana yachaya yathi yathi mina angezi lokho.
No, but mina ngimsoli. Anyway, that's today because I really love to support single women and those are easy children. But guys,
Ngingani imisebenzi on 30 ngingabodi imisebenzi idrokudede.
what you guys know you merchandise ukuthi ditshayitini because esemiyadozelile leyi iyanyishisa abantwana benu. Phela sinabazali bayangeka cause uyazi kodwa but eqinisini uphuma yazi kubuhlungu ukuthi sikuvakatshele izihlobo zivakatshele bese zibuza ukuthi kathi umpuma uyenzani. Umama bese sithi ukuthi
Cabanga nje. Wese alleged zikho lapha ngizokuthiwa i-African casting ibuya eZimbabwe. Next season.
so guys, if you have a connection guys, don't hesitate, you tell us DM me, link. How do you get us? Oh my power. Guys, I don't have any 17 Pro Max. $1,000 guys for 2 hours,
Mnugeshta over da. Anyways guys,
Lazima wata umuntu omnyama nawe kodwa ukhale.
nambara ndoda ufule 13,000 videos shike na bab so nje cabanga nje ukuthi sawathi abantu abangikhali.
But guys, it's been a pleasure having you on this episode. Ababukeli episode edluleyo bengingekho 10 million
Ayekhala nje 10 million lapho utheni disabele la.
but anyways edliweyo. But anyway guys, is advocating 10 million iwekhona i-art industry
Yeah.
but with the way things are going, is a PC you just hire much guys are good AI and just make content, bro.
Vele ku-specify one thing guys. Laphana la ezakuthiwa content creators akushiwo lina bolanga ndimani. Liyo TikTok lani bowathi khulunywa ngathi thina ama-independent producer. Khulunywa Vusa Jacobe. Guys, i-10 million lana is not yours. It's ours. Lathi mosizayithola. Anyways, masine great time. You great time. Shout out to all the Blawayo artists, abangasoma celebrity guys, siyali support but ukuze sili support guys, cela menze music authentic, lenze music right. If AI nakathathi ngesikhathi soneso because AI is taking over, you all know that. So la ukwazi hamba utshela u-AI uthi akushayele ingoma uthi wena umgagagugu support Maybe. I just read something out before come. Guys, if wena uzizwa ngathi ule query, whether nguwe Jacobe or anyone of them, the space is open, guys.
yabona ngcono lequeen
Yakobe izaba na podcast.
ngoba no-Astro sure na yabuya sihlale lapha sikhululane phakathi uhulumeni ayiwani lakha kasaba pha incwadi yathupa siyababana amawashe is very here
Siyabamba
amawashe la ikhona aziwasaka amaphiphi
plus thina stock ama-fake yabo.
shone and vele ne
Ayijika ina steering.
we are the next time.